Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today's video is about a broken pot designing. So let's see how it goes. I have made a reel also and that voice is my own voice. So to make this DIY, I have taken here gesso and a flat brush. And here the process begins. At first we need to make a thick paste of gesso with some water. Then we need to apply it on the surface of the pot. We need to cover all over the area of the pot. Of course we need to apply it on the outer side of it. We don't need to apply it on the inner part. And we need to let it dry for half an hour. And after drying it will look something like this, and it has these two holes which will help to drain out the water. Now it's time to color it, and I have taken here the Fabrica acrylic colors. You can use enamel paints too. I have this in my home, so I used it. And I am making some random patterns with the colors. I am directly applying the colors on the surface of the pot. So I am applying here the yellow color first. I love this color. I don't know why, but I think that yellow is that kind of color which can make anything bright at once. So now I am mixing the yellow color with the sap green color to make it lighter. I am here applying the colors one by one, and I am doing it randomly. I haven't painted any kind of designs or patterns. I am applying the colors directly and giving it a shape. It will look something like geometrical design. I am trying to use bright colors because by time it will fade, so if you once use the bright colors it will stay for some days more. That's why. Now it's time for some white touches. I have told you these are like the magic touches. So after doing everything, it's looking something like this. So let's check out its final look. Wow, it's looking so pretty. I am just loving it. So bye for now, stay tuned and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Those who are new to my channel, please subscribe, and those who are my subscribers already, please share this video wherever you can. So thank you so much. Bye.